What up guys, the Sydney Trains in New South Wales training channel speaking to you and welcome to the South West Railway Open Day. I'm here at Leppington as requested by Sydney Trains on location, Duke Gaming 18, Debbie Tanner, Phil from STV Sydney Trains Vlogs, Jada L and James the trainer, I think. Yeah, Phil. Anyway, on platform number 1 here at Leppington, we have an M set. The set is M6. This is a forecast set only. So this is the scene at the moment. Lots of people testing the South West Rally today. Just getting used to it. There's the indicator board. Just move up this way and show you the new station signs. And that's Leppington. And that's just another overview of the station. Another overview of the station. So, yes, I will film the train departing very shortly. If I said platform number 1, I didn't mean to say that. I meant to say platform number 2. So, yes, I just swear I could have seen Ainsley just board the last carriage. I swear I did. Me too, I swear I did. Otherwise, not, because it sounds like an air conditioning thing. But M6, I think it might have been freshly repainted. So, 6 about to depart platform number 2, Liverpool service, stopping at Edmonton Park, Glenfield and Liverpool. And I got to see if it's Ainsley on the train. That would be cool. Here we go. Come on, M-Set, you can do it. Okay, mighty M-Set. I just see it. That's just a view of Leppington Station.
And Liverpool.
So, platform 3 and 4, 1 and 2. So, just an overview of the concourse. I don't know if you can see, but that end over there, where that person sitting over there, is the Transport Enthusiast Gang. So, hello Transport Enthusiast Gang, wherever you are. I hope, yeah, I'm shy. So this is another overview of Leppington Station, facing towards Rossmore Yards. So if you go, it's a bit further down the track, and if you go up that hill there, which you probably can't see, but who cares? I'm just describing it to you. It will head you over to the Rossmore Yards. Now, I wasn't really good with searching today because I went up to the concourse and went to search for a place to eat, but knowing the southwest and new developing suburbs, you probably won't get much variety of a place to eat. So, and it's 2 o'clock now, so, well, 2:15 now, so I'm gonna head over to Town Hall and then, just grab some sushi from there. So, yes, Leppington signs, and I love the patterns there. There's tomatoes and like a thing there, then some grass, then what seems to be like an apricot, a pattern of apricots, then more grass but in a cartoon form, and then more grass in real form. And then here we have strawberries.
The next train to arrive on platform 2 terminates here. Please do not join this train.
It's that. You've got some strawberries on the first one, apricot, pumpkins on the second one, grass in real form on the third panel, and then on the fourth panel there is the cartoon grass. Oh, so that's what it is. I think it's a variety of pumpkins. Pumpkins! Lol. Next train on platform number 1, 2, next train on platforms 1, 3, and 4. The indicator boards are empty. All but platform number 3's. But Hang on a minute. On platform number 1, it said does not stop, does not stop, does not stop. On platform number 3, and does not stop on platform number 4. So either there could be some transfers. Hang on, or whatever. We have an M set arriving to platform number 2, Liverpool bound. I'm filming it from the ground. Ah, the newest M set, M35 is the set. The newest M set, M35. Carriage N1573. Now before I end this tour, I'm going to take a walk through the interior of N1573. Carriage doors. In the next carriage. Then this is lower neck of the Waratah seated M set. Easy reversible seating, I love it. Awesome, fantastic. Carnival N1573. Oh, Jesus. Okay, sorry. Here we go. Here it is. M-set style seating. Well, I mean, M-set style, what the hell? M-set style seating and sets Waratah style fabric. As you can see here. And that's overview of Leppington Station. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this up now. Well actually before I go, I didn't get to Edmonton Park today because I'm on a time frame and I have to be home by 4 o'clock, so yes. Anyway, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you thank you for watching. And I hope you enjoy our New South Wales Trail Link. Goodbye for now.